Do you need planning permission to build a treehouse? In most cases across the UK, the answer is no. Treehouses are typically classed as non-permanent structures. They don't rely on traditional foundations and, in principle, can be removed, which often places them outside the stricter planning rules applied to conventional buildings. In over 25 years, Treehouse Life has seen just one planning refusal across hundreds of projects. That alone should give you confidence. Of course, there are considerations. Overlooking neighboring properties is the most common, but with thoughtful design, positioning, and screening, this is usually resolved early in the process. Even in more sensitive locations, such as conservation areas, a well-designed treehouse is rarely ruled out. In fact, the process is often far more flexible than people expect. For commercial projects, planning permission is typically required, but it's a well-understood and manageable process with growing support for nature-led developments. If you ever want complete certainty, a simple conversation with your local planning authority can quickly clarify your position.